Hey everybody, it's Kayla Butler, your favorite real estate agent, and LaShawn Abraham with First Citizens.
Hi.
So you guys, we are doing this video today because credit is important, debt to income is important, but the two together, they make up whether or not you're going to qualify for a home loan. I know all the time when we do videos, we focus a lot on credit, but we don't talk so much about your income and how your income is reported, how you pay taxes on that income, how you receive the income. Is it a job? Is it SSI? Is it self-employed income? All those things play a major role in your likeliness of getting approved for your home loan or your mortgage. So I wanted to talk with LaShawn today about that, and from a lender standpoint, how does income affect a homeowner or a future homeowner?
Income affects a future homeowner in so many different ways because the income is going to truly determine your capacity to pay the money back. So from a lending perspective, we want to make sure that your income is stable and it's consistent. So that's why we look for this 2-year work history and things like that to make sure that you're on track to, been making, still making, and will continue to make the same amount of income going forward.
Ooh. Okay, so you want to see 2 years of a person's work history to see how they're getting paid. So, say that I am on a job and I leave that job to go to another job that's going to be paying me better, but or paying me more, but I'm not permanent on that job.
That's a big risk factor there, because the key word that you said there is not the fact that you switch jobs. It's okay to switch jobs, but it's the fact that you're not permanent. Whenever you're a temp employee, and maybe if you're working for, a staffing company or something like that, where where your employment history, where your employment status can truly change, then that can truly be an issue.
Ooh. Okay. So you guys don't switch your permanent job to go to a
temporary job, or you can say a contract job, because there's so many different variations, I would say, of income. So you don't want to go from having what we consider like stable income, where you get a paycheck every week or every 2 weeks or once a month, to maybe you're on a contract where you only can get paid for 6 months and then you got to reapply for the contract. And that right there is a red flag from a lending perspective.
Ooh, okay. So what if I switch from my permanent job to another permanent job, but then my income is going to kind of decrease?
So what we would do is, even though we will still look at your previous employment history of the type of income that you made, we're still going to qualify you based on what you currently make today or that day that you're applying. So if you're now making less money, then that can definitely have an effect on how much of a loan you're eligible for.
Okay. What else affects someone? I know that right now I had somebody that wanted to get pre-qualified, and what ended up happening is that their job changed, like the type of income changed. So they went from being a W-2 employee to now being a 1099. How is that going to affect that person?
That's going to affect that person drastically, because truly a 1099 is pretty much like you're self-employed. Even though you work for an employer, they're not taking taxes out of your check. So at the end of the year, you'll get a 1099. You get to claim, your own expenses and deductions and things like that. And then you actually pay taxes on, the net after you take out all of your expenses. So when you go from having W-2 income, which is, consistent and stable, we know what it is, it's already taxed, to income that we have no idea what you're going to report, that can truly affect you when it comes time to buying a house. And you'll have to truly wait almost or right at another 2 years to get that consecutive history so that we can know, how much money are you most likely to make, because we can't just go off of, oh, this is what you made, and more than likely this is what you're going to claim. We have to actually do what's reported to the IRS.
Okay, so you guys, we want to make this video short, sweet, and to the point because we don't want you to think too hard about your income. What we want to do is give you a little information, let you be informed about how your income affects you when being able to buy a home. But we also want you to call us. We want you to get pre-qualified. We want you to reach out to us because one thing that me and LaShawn like to talk about a lot is we want our customers to make their own strategy. It's all about strategizing your income, strategizing how to get that credit score you want, strategizing on how to save enough money if you do have to put down a down payment, and just being prepared overall. So you don't want to jump from one job to the next if it doesn't make sense. You want it to make sense. You don't want to jump from W-2 to 1099 before you buy that house unless you're willing to wait 2 years. Is pretty much what you're saying in this video.
Yeah, and I would definitely add to that, you know, you have to have a plan.
Mm-hmm.
You know, at the end of the day, if you're wanting to buy a house and you don't really know where to start or what to kind of prepare for, you know, sitting down with professionals that work in this industry that can help guide you, because that's what we are. We're kind of like your trusted advisor, you know what I mean? To kind of help assist you on, okay, well, maybe you can stay at this job or maybe not. Maybe it's okay, because each person's situation is completely different.
That's true.
And so there's not one scenario that fits all. And so truly sitting down, talking with someone, you know, one-on-one or two-on-one or something like that to figure out what's the best plan for you, I think is imperative.
Yes. So don't make that next move without consulting us first or a like-minded professional like us. You want to give us a call, you can reach out to me on my website, which is kaylabutler.com, or you can call me at 843-471-0321. And you can also reach out to LaShawn directly. And LaShawn, how can they reach out to you?
Well, after this whole baby situation.
That was her secret, you guys. She's having a baby, but
yeah, after this whole baby situation, you can definitely reach me at 843-572-6203. My office is in North Charleston, Ashley Fawcett.
yes, you guys. So while she's giving birth, you just reach out to me.
Yeah, reach out to Kayla.
And I'll definitely get you taken care of. But thank you guys so much for watching. We hope this video was informative and helpful. Talk to you soon.